How are you, viewer? My name is Enoch Aseto, and I want to present to you a system that is going to help you develop your lesson plans in a matter of seconds. You can print your schemes of work, which is already in the system. You only need to edit or format them into the number of days and weeks that you're going to teach. You can also organize your students in MacBooks. You can keep their progress reports. You can also prepare for a class and have everything in hand. So welcome as I take you through my system. My system is called ASEPLAN system. It is made with security features. For example, for you to be able to use it or somebody to access your work, they must have a password, a username, and a password, which is personalized for an individual user. So you'll acquire the password on purchase or downloading of the system into your computer. So welcome as I take you through how you can be able to develop your lesson plan and schemes of work. So in your computer, you must have put a folder called scheme data, which is on drive C. You open scheme data, you go to curriculum system, you double click on the curriculum system, then you'll see a login box where you'll have to key in your username. So your username, and then you'll key in your password. So you have a password which will enable you to gain access to the system. Click login. So in the system, the name is ASEPLAN system. We have test and exams. This is where you take your students' progress reports, your students register in your class, bookstore, the books issued to students, books that are returned by students. We have the syllabus. You can add the content of the syllabus. You can change the contents. For example, you can add topics. You choose a subject like in physics, and then you choose Form 3, you want to add a topics. These are available topics. You can be able to see if you want to add, you'll go to edit topics. In the syllabus, we can also view the contents, what is there in the syllabus. You go to, for example, agriculture, and you want to see what is there in Form 2. You have the syllabus for Form 2 agriculture. Then you have the subtopics. We have got the topics, subtopics, or content. Of course, you'll see the objectives, and sometimes you'll be able to see activities which you can adjust, you can change. You can enter the topic, class, and the term. Apart from that, we have the schemes of work, which is already there, but now you can update or arrange them. For example, you have physics, and then you choose a form, and then you'll be given all the topics in Form 2. So let's choose measurements, and then we want to check on measurements of length. So we have got there measurements of length using vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. Is taught in week 3. You can modify when you're going to teach it. Maybe you click on add the week. You want to teach it in week 7. You click done. Then you come here and you must save. Once you save and data is saved, you can even revisit it again. See, show topics, then we choose the measurements too, and then okay. But then when you choose this again, now it is changed to week 7. You can also do that in all other subjects. Apart from this, we have other subjects here. When you are done, you can be able to close it. You can also check on the schemes of work that you want to print, you come here and you schedule the schemes of work. So you choose this part of the schemes or the syllabus you want to print is schemes of work. You come to physics, you choose a topic. We can choose here to show the topics. So when you come here, you have to go to the default class. You choose the class first. Then we have got the topics, magnetic effect of electric current. Then we have the subtopics. You can add it to the pool of schemes of work by going there. It is going to be taught in which form you choose. I'm going to teach it in form 3, teach it in term 2 or term 3. You can choose here teaching week 7. Then you can add it to the pool, magnetic current, then add topic to term 3. It will be added to the system. You can be able to see it is added somewhere here. Magnetic effect of electric current is added here into the system. So this one here is just helping you to arrange which content you want to print from the schemes of work. We have lesson plans. You can create one. Creating one is very simple. You just come here, choose this topic, and then go to form 2, and then you show topic. Come there, choose the topic you're going to teach, measurement 2, for example, and then subtopic. We have got something, maybe standard forms, measurements of standard forms. Let's choose that way. So here you'll find the topic is listed, subtopic is listed. You have objectives there. Then now you can choose the term. So we are in term 2, week 3, and then the class is 2B. We can choose 2B as our stream. Then period 6 or period 7, but in my case I'm going to teach in period 8. Duration 40 minutes. We can enter the date, so that I have a date of 25/10/2021. So I can enter here a prerequisite knowledge. So for this to happen in standard form, the students must have understood measurements 1, things about area, length. The students shall have learned about lengths, area, and SI units. Then you can go and create rationale in order to understand how to use instruments to obtain measurements. One needs to get the accuracy of the instruments. So we are done with the rationale. Then you can go to introduction, the activities you want to do into introduction. So let's say we are going to change various numbers, changing various numbers into standard form, and writing numbers in a given format. The landing point there is standard form of all numbers. In the body, learners